Hey guys, welcome back to another video here. We're gonna be making slime. So what are we gonna use? We're gonna use some of this soap. We're gonna use some salt. So first we're gonna start with the soap. Just a little halfway up. Then what you need to put in there is salt. Hook up this lid. Okay. Got the salt in and use this straw because I don't want any of my silverware to get all messed up. And you'll want to put this in the freezer for about 10 minutes. Okay. Put it in there. And then we're done. See you in 10 minutes. Okay. For 10 minutes I got it out of the freezer. And look how it's turned out. It's not too sticky. It's not sticky at all. Pretty cool. So yeah, you can make this at home. It's pretty simple. You just need to use this and that, put in the freezer for about 10 minutes, and then it will work. Simple. Yeah. Bye guys. See you next time on the slime videos.